In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create gradients on lines and borders here in Canva. Now, this is a relatively new feature which Canva recently added. Now, if we come over to a blank page just here, then come up to Elements so we can find a line. Let's click on here. Let's just make this border weight or line weight a little bit thicker so we can actually see the gradient once we've applied it. There we go. Now to do this, what we want to do is click on our line. Then if we come up to Colors just here and scroll down, we can now see that we can do gradients on this line. So let's go with the Canva colors. Let's do this one just here. There we go. And we can see we now have a gradient on this line. Now if we wanted to change the color, it's the same as changing the color on anything. So we'd click on the plus. Then we have our two gradient colors just here and the different style gradients as well. So if I wanted to change this color, we can click on there, go ahead, change this to a darker blue or a light blue or whatever color that we want. We can do that for this one as well. So let's make that a little bit more brighter. And there we go. We now have a gradient on this line. Now, like I said, this can be done for borders as well. So let's go ahead and move that up there. Let's come back over to Elements. Let's click onto the square like this. What we're going to do is make that square transparent like so. Then we're going to click on the border. We're going to make the weight quite thick so we can see this gradient. Let's just make this like so as well. And now, if we go onto the border color just here, again, we can see those gradients down the bottom. We can click on that one. We can come up to the top, click the plus button. Then we can play around with the colors as well, as you can see. So it's just a pretty cool feature, which I wanted to share with you, which Canva has recently added. So that's how you can add gradients to lines and borders here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.